In the previous video, we learned the basics of uploading an image for Print Then Cut. In this video, we'll cover how image types and advanced upload options are used to simplify the colors of an image to create more complex cut lines within a Print Then Cut project. For example, removing the background of an image. Remember these options? These are essentially presets that tell Design Space how to simplify the colors so that you can easily remove those areas of the image to create cut lines. But we have advanced options available to give us a little more control. Let's see how they work. This image is a complex image with a lot of colors, so select Complex and let's move to the next step. Now, using the Select and Erase tool, click the background of this photo. See how uneven and messy this looks? That's because colors in that area are not the same value. So Design Space left the pixels that don't match. If I had to click every color variation one at a time, it would take a while to clean up this image. I'll undo that. To use this image for Print Then Cut and remove this broad area of color, here's what to do. Make an adjustment to the color tolerance. Color tolerance tells Design Space how many pixels to select and delete based on how alike they are. For example, set the tolerance to 1 and Design Space doesn't select very many pixels. Notice only a few pixels in that area were erased. Now I'll set the tolerance much higher, like 60. And sure enough, it removes nearly all pixels close to that color value. Now I've got a Print Then Cut image that will print the colored areas, and a cut line will be created where the transparent and opaque pixels meet. I'm going to undo that. What if I don't want the image to be a Print Then Cut image? What if I just want to make it a cut image? That's where Reduce Colors comes in. We can simplify colors so it's much easier to remove the parts we don't want. I'll start with 3. Now the image has been simplified to 3 colors. I can click away and remove the colors I don't want, which will create my cut lines. When I'm done, I can move forward and save this as a cut image. And that's it. In the next video, we'll take our first look at pattern uploads.